Good morning and welcome to DLM Campervans. Today we have a 2022 Ford Transit Connect Solar Silver, which I consider a gray. It's a titanium-based vehicle, which adds the extra chrome. It also has blind spot indicators in the mirror, heated leather seats, built-in navigation. Has a hitch with a 2,000-pound towing capacity. Our conversion consists of solar, over-the-air antenna, reversible max air fan. Inside you find a couch with underbed storage. There's a foldable portable toilet underneath and also some storage containers. That folds out into a 43 by 72 inch bed. You have a microwave that can run off-grid, meaning you do not need to be plugged in. 2,000 watt inverter, dual house batteries, sink, refrigerator, TV DVD player, front privacy curtain. Also comes with WeatherTech sunshades and WeatherTech floor mats. Comes with a shore power plug and cord. The refrigerator, some shelving, LED lighting, limo tinted windows in the back for privacy, vinyl floor. The Mini-T fits in a standard 7-foot garage. Works great as a daily driver, gets 24 to 29 miles to the gallon. Check out the full details online, www.dlm-distribution.com, or give us a call, 651-285-7089, or 507-382-9446. Happy camping!